Hello, I'm Nicholas Crady and I'm a Lambda engineer. In this guide, we're going to go over removing and reinstalling our DIMMs. You might be asked to reseat your DIMMs by our support team, or in situations where you're troubleshooting your machine. Each motherboard has a different DIMM configuration, however, the process remains very similar. To remove a DIMM on your motherboard, simply depress the lever located right here so that the DIMM pops out of its slot. Once the DIMM has been elevated, simply lift and pull from the side of the lever to remove the DIMM. When troubleshooting DIMMs, please make sure that you're also troubleshooting each DIMM slot on the motherboard. There is a possibility that a slot could be having difficulties as well. If you have any additional questions, or if you run into issues at any time during this process, please reach out to our support team. We're always happy to help.